today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple garlic mayonnaise. This is really easy to make, so much better than the supermarket and takeaway ones that you can get. So I make up my flatbread and I use that as the perfect dipping sauce. It's absolutely lovely. So the first thing you want to do is just chop up some garlic. You can use 1 or 2 cloves. You do want to finely chop it, but you can of course use a garlic mincer, which would make the job a lot easier. You definitely do want to chop it finely though, because I actually leave it a little bit raw, just so you get that nice strong garlic flavour. So that is chopped perfectly. Next we want to put a little frying pan or saucepan on a low heat. Add a teaspoon of butter. Whilst that's melting, we're going to put some mayonnaise in a bowl. This is purely up to you, depending on how much you want to use for your meal. And once that is all melted, you want to go ahead and add your garlic. Let it sit for a minute or two, but don't let it colour. Well, that's looking good and it's smelling amazing, it's smelling very fragrant. So I'm just going to turn it off now. Going to add a large pinch of parsley, and it will look very green now, but it won't look that green once it's added to our mayonnaise. It smells like the inside of a chicken Kiev, or like that perfect garlic baguette. Let that cool down. I'm just going to add a little bit of white wine vinegar, just a touch, just to give it a bit of zing. Mix it up again. Now that that's cooled, I'm going to add it to our mayonnaise and mix well. You have to make sure it's cool, otherwise it will turn. It could potentially cook the eggs in the mayo, and that would go very wrong. Quickly get this working. The perfect garlic mayonnaise.